Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show step by step how you can easily connect boards and mirror columns in monday.com. Now the first thing that you want to do is simply go on the right side and click add column. When you're gonna be here, you're gonna find a thing called connect boards. You want to click on that. Now in the moment when you're gonna click connect boards, you can see connect this board to other boards. Easily view and edit items from any board you choose. So in the moment, let's say you don't have to jump between all the boards, you can have it here. I can select a board, so this is the deals. So let's say I want to have a board to connect contact. Now I'm going to click connect boards. And now in the moment when you would choose like the board, you can now visualize the data from your connected boards with the mirror column. So right now we connect the board and now we are going to mirror it. So now I'm going to click create a mirror column. And now here you can see mirror data from contacts column. Here I can have, let's say this is going to be a type or a title or a company or notes. So let's say I want to have a type, or you can have easily to which one you actually want. Now, okay. And all labels, right? And this is how you do it. What you can do also is to again choose a mirror and add to board, connect. Let's say choose a connect boards column, and you see that we have the contacts here. This is the connection. And now what we want to copy. We can have let's say we want to have a priority. So this is how you can do it. So as you can see, we mirror it right now, the priority of it. You see right here. So this is pretty much it how you can do it. And now you can always click here, add a mirror, add to board, connect, choose a connect boards column, and we have the connect boards column here. The contact, you can create also a new connection. Now what do you want to actually copy? Let's say phone number. And this is how you can always choose what you want to actually copy and how you can mirror your data. So let's say this is going to be contact here, and in a moment it chooses. So I have, this is the first thing, a contact that we copied from the contact. Now I'm going to choose this guy here, and this changed. Now I can choose Carissa Lang, and here we got the number, and we have the mirror. So let's go again and let's go together. So let's say we are going to be in activities, and in activities we want to have directly the numbers. So let's say add a column, and we're gonna add connect boards, select the board. Let's say we want to add a contact. Now connect boards, here we are going to, this is the board one. Now we are going to create a mirror. So right here, what do we want to know? Let's say we want to have an email address. Okay, this is the first one, but yet we can't see anything in our mirror, right? But we are going to click plus here, and I'm going to also add another mirror that we want to have phone number. So here, connect, and we have the contacts, and here I'm going to add a phone. So here I will simply choose, let's say this guy here. If I'm going to add an activity, I can simply click contact here and add this guy, and automatically it's going to get me the mirror. So this is pretty much it how you can do it. And this is how you can easily use the mirror, and also how you can connect boards in monday.com. It's nothing really that difficult. Now, of course, what you can do is to simply like you can do the multi-level mirroring, and I can also show you how you can do that. So if you're gonna have like multiple projects, let's say like this, and I'm going to have an accounts, I would click plus here. Now I'm going to click connect boards, select boards, and you can simply choose, let's say, activities, deals, contacts, connect board, create a mirror column, and you see right here, so mirror data from connected boards column, deals, contacts, activities, and you like choose which one you want, and all labels. Now if I'm going to connect a board, I can simply choose from which I want to have it. So as you can see, we can choose a project. So here you can easily choose between the projects directly in your own project. So let's say you're gonna have like your activities and you want to connect it with all the projects. So I'm going to have a to-do list, and I'm going to have projects, and I want to link something from those projects here, and this is how you can easily do it. It's nothing that really difficult, I believe, and I think like each one of you can know how to do it, but this is pretty much it. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. I hope you're going to have a great day and amazing time. So yeah, thank you, have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.